Welcome to the GLAC studio. This is Gomti Sankaran, founder, CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. We are now ready with the oil painting tutorial on our tiger. This is a painting that I had made on an A3 paper. So this is a multi-technique paper or a multimedia technique paper on which I had made a painting in February, I think. So this was done a few months ago, but the recording is now ready for you in the form of a educational video. You will get to learn in 8 separate classes how exactly I have made this painting from scratch. Aside from this, what you are learning is also, when you can see here, it's black and white colors that's been used majorly. And between the black and white, how many tonalities do we have, and how do we build up this contrast and create the reality as simply as possible. It's not hyper realism, but then walking towards a realistic painting. So this is something practical that you can try if you are someone that is already crossed a little bit of the beginner level and are ready to get started with something a little bit more challenging, maybe on the intermediate level. It's also good for practice for basic level students who are willing to experiment. You will see the entire video without much of edit on every single area that I have worked or the mistakes I have corrected. So you work along with me and watch exactly how the fur was developed and the whiskers were made to finalize this painting. I hope you will enjoy watching these videos and learning a lot from it, and also be able to share your comments and feedback at later point. Looking forward to having you around in the online classes for Tiger. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.